What kind of HDMI splitter should I use to play PS4 on two TVs?
Hey there! You're probably here because you're seeking a way to enjoy your favorite PlayStation 4, PS4 games on two TVs simultaneously. Today, we're going to talk about how you can achieve this using an HDMI splitter. An HDMI splitter takes one source of signal and duplicates it over multiple TVs. Key takeaway: you need an HDMI splitter to display your PS4 content on two TVs simultaneously.
What should I look for in an HDMI splitter?
When looking for an HDMI splitter, there are a few things you should consider. Compatibility: ensure the splitter supports the HDMI version used by your PS4 and TVs. For PS4, that's HDMI 1.4. Resolution support: if you're using TVs that support high resolutions, like 1080p or 4K, make sure your HDMI splitter supports these resolutions too. Number of outputs: the HDMI splitter should have at least 2 outputs for your TVs. Powered splitter: opt for a powered HDMI splitter instead of a passive one to ensure a stable, high-quality signal to both TVs.
How do I set up the HDMI splitter?
Setting up the HDMI splitter with your PS4 and two TVs involves the following steps. 1. Connect the PS4 to the HDMI splitter. Use an HDMI cable to connect your PS4 to the input port on your HDMI splitter. 2. Connect the HDMI splitter to the TVs. Use 2 more HDMI cables to connect from the splitter's output ports to your TV's HDMI ports. 3. Power on everything. Turn on your PS4, the HDMI splitter, and your two TVs. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your PS4's display on both TVs. That's it. Now, you should be able to enjoy your PS4 games on two TVs simultaneously. A good HDMI splitter can be a game changer, allowing you to have a more versatile and exciting gaming experience. Remember the key points when choosing a splitter: compatibility, resolution support, the number of outputs, and it should be powered. Happy gaming!